Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of bees, tiny creatures that play a massive role in our ecosystems and our daily lives. From their intricate social structures to their crucial role in pollination, bees are truly remarkable. So, buzz along with us as we explore the amazing lives of these tiny, yet incredibly important insects. Let's start with the basics. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants. They belong to the family Apidae, which encompasses over 20,000 known species. While many people might think of the honeybee when they hear bee, the world of bees is incredibly diverse. For instance, bumblebees, carpenter bees, and solitary bees each have unique behaviors and roles in the environment. At the heart of the bee world is the hive, a bustling metropolis of activity. The hive is home to three types of bees: the queen, the workers, and the drones. Each has a distinct role that contributes to the hive's survival and productivity. First, let's talk about the queen. She's the heart of the hive, responsible for laying eggs. In fact, she can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day. The queen is larger than the other bees and has a longer abdomen, which allows her to lay so many eggs. Her primary job is reproduction, ensuring the hive continues to thrive. Worker bees, the most numerous members of the hive, are the ones you often see buzzing around flowers. Their duties are varied and crucial. They forage for nectar and pollen, which they bring back to the hive to feed the larvae and fellow workers. They also perform other tasks such as cleaning the hive, taking care of the queen and the young, and maintaining the hive's temperature. Worker bees are the backbone of the hive's daily operations. Then we have the drones. Their main job is to mate with a queen from another hive. Drones do not forage for food or contribute to hive maintenance. Their sole purpose is to ensure the continuation of the species. They are larger than workers and have bigger eyes, which help them during their mating flights. Bees go through a fascinating life cycle known as complete metamorphosis, which includes 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The queen lays eggs in hexagonal wax cells. After a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae. The worker bees feed the larvae with a mixture of nectar and pollen, known as bee bread. After several days, the larvae spin themselves into a cocoon where they transform into pupae. Finally, they emerge as adult bees, ready to take on their roles within the hive. One of the most crucial roles bees play is pollination. As bees forage for nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, aiding in the reproduction of plants. This process is vital for the growth of many plants and crops, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. In fact, it is estimated that 1/3 of the food we eat is made possible by bee pollination. Bees are highly effective pollinators due to their unique anatomy. Their hairy bodies are perfect for collecting pollen, which sticks to them as they move from flower to flower. Each flower species has evolved to attract specific pollinators, and bees are especially good at this because they are attracted to a wide range of flowers, from the most common to the rarest. Beekeeping, or apiculture, is the practice of maintaining bee colonies in hives, and it has been an important part of human agriculture for thousands of years. Beekeepers manage the hives, ensure the bees are healthy, and harvest honey, beeswax, and other hive products. Good beekeeping practices are essential for ensuring the health and productivity of bee colonies. However, bees face significant threats, including habitat loss, pesticides, diseases, and climate change. These challenges have led to declining bee populations around the world. Protecting bees is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and food security. Simple actions like planting bee-friendly plants, reducing pesticide use, and supporting local beekeepers can make a big difference. By creating habitats that provide bees with food and shelter, we can help ensure their survival. Consider planting a variety of flowers that bloom at different times of the year to provide bees with a constant source of nectar and pollen. Avoid using harmful chemicals in your garden and support organic farming practices. Every little bit helps in creating a more bee-friendly environment. In conclusion, bees are incredible creatures with a vital role in our world. Their intricate social structures, life cycles, and contributions to pollination make them indispensable to both natural ecosystems and human agriculture. By understanding and protecting these amazing insects, we help ensure a thriving planet for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of bees. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating creatures, be sure to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Until next time, keep buzzing with curiosity.